Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, know about education and aesthetics, bringing more women into the metaverse. Brands have the potential to make the metaverse more woman-friendly by focusing on beautiful aesthetic, accessibility, and education. Interest in the metaverse is growing rapidly, and fashion brands across the globe are taking note. A new report from the Technology Research and Advisory firm Technavio found that the metaverse will hit a market value of 50 billion by 2026. Findings from Technavio further show that the Metaverse in fashion market share is expected to increase by uh, 600 billion from 2021 and 2026. Give this a number of major brands have begun participating in Web3 initiatives from instance Metaverse Fashion Week hosted in Decentraland this year attracted more than 17 brands. Artists and designers including Tommy Hilfiger, Estée Lauder, Philippe Plein, Selfridges, and Dolce and Gabbana. Luxury jewelry brand Tiffany and CO Owens recently stepped into the Web3 space with the sale of 250 diamond and gemstone encrusted pendants for CryptoPunks non-fungible token NFT holders. Understanding what's moment one from a metaverse platform. While these initiatives are notable, new findings from the family contains the PFQ and the media company EVG Unlimited saw that metaverse experiences are still largely geared toward men. The report titled What's Moment 1 in which Zero also found that 62% of women surveyed have never heard of or are unfamiliar with NFTs, while 24% of families does understand the metaverse. Shelley Zali, CEO of the FQ and Equality Services and Advisory Firm, told Telegraph that while there is a tremendous interest for women to become involved in Web3, the experience offered by brands needs to cater more toward what women want, he said. We know this 85% of first-place decisions are made by women, so if brands want to get his right, they need to design experiences that are relevant for women by creating the types of experience they want to participate in, for example, for visualization, perfect perspective, money metaphors, visual or clunky, and less beautiful, so this needs to be improved. Gonzalez point the FQ and AEVG Unlimited report found that one in four women will revisit a metaverse platform if it contained better aesthetics. Yet understanding visual is appealing element for women may be challenging. Uh, at the report noticed that only 16% of Web3 creators currency in the identity and women. The FQ wants to set the stage by encouraging more women to be on the business side of Web3 initiatives. In women can design this space for women, then we can ensure that families will want to spend more time in the metaverse. That is explained. This from Humber founder and chief executive officer and Novos told Telegraph that change transformed within from the perspective of metaverse builders. Okay, maybe just enough from me. I'm sorry for mistake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.